I'm baking a professional egg and it will taste great. I just need salt and pepper right now. It's going to be baking. I just need to close it. So then after the light turns off, it will be done. Then I will have to put salt and pepper on it. Then that will be delicious.
Pour yourself a cup.
That is my cup.
Pour yourself a cup.
That is my cup.
Not your cup.
That's what we're trying to change this whole thing. Is like his cup. No, I'm like,
Yeah, it is my cup.
pour yourself a cup.
It is my cup.
I'm gonna give up on you.
Maverick, does he want to... Mama, do you want an African chair?
Huh?
You
You can move it. You can sit it.
Okay.
She's Abigail, are you hungry? Do you eat the sausage and bacon before
See
you
what it looks like
Y'all say cheese.
right now.
Bacon.
Bacon.
I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there.
Sausage.
Choose a music decade or the holiday playlist. You can say 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, or
2010s.
Anybody want a chocolate chip?
You just need to wait for a little bit.
Everybody stop messing with
I'll Google my
Google.
nose.
2010s.
What do y'all want?
Guess the song
Gabby,
title.
what kind of waffle do you want? Regular or chocolate chip?
Regular.
I love his hair, Gabby.
Thanks for playing Song Quiz.
I cut it myself.
Can you cut Maverick?
I want to do it.
Okay, is he done?
I want to clean it, like just one clean shave. How are we at? How are we at? We're YouTubing.
See how it looks like.
I don't do the flower.
It's I think it's
Hey,
going.
Gabby, what's your YouTube
A
family
little
name?
bit more.
The Gabby Chavez show. Huh?
Nice.
Well, because there were so many Gabby Villarreal, so I had to think of something else. Yeah, so I had to think of something else. So I was like, the Eminem show, the Gabby Chavez show.
Okay, now we have to wait for a little bit longer. Then up. Okay, never mind. It's right now. It's ready.
Look at my cup.
It's on your cup.
Yeah.
Not on your cup.
And if you see, it's a burner plate, so never put a plate too close to there. Because then it will burn.
We need some more eggs.
There we go. Good egg.
Ariel, throw away your trash before you go away.
What was that? Mommy's on her way, so give her.